Hi friends, welcome back. This is your last part of today's work. So please make sure that you're staying focused. Watch the video all the way through and then you can complete your last step for your assignments today. So for Writer's Workshop today, we will be talking about a specific skill. So on Tuesday, we talked about how Writer's Workshop is going to look. So today, our main focus is going to be capitalization. So your two objectives for today are, I can write a narrative story, and I can follow capitalization rules in my writing. So we've already reviewed and gone over capitalization rules, but it's really, really important that you perfect these skills because it's going to make you an amazing writer. So for today, we're going to go over a few different things. Good writers always use capitalization in their stories. So to capitalize the beginning of a sentence, here's an example. It says, he rode his bike to the park. So the very first letter of a sentence always, always, always needs to be capitalized. Whether it's a name or an object or a place, it should always be capitalized. So this is one of your main focuses while you are writing today. Make sure that that first letter of your sentence is a capital letter. Another thing that you need to capitalize all the time is the pronoun I, and we've talked about this many times. Remember, when you're writing I and you're talking about yourself, you have to stand tall and proud of yourself. So make that I capital. So an example, it says, did I see you at the mall yesterday? So that letter I is always capitalized, especially when it's by itself. If the letter I is by itself, it usually means that it needs to be capitalized. So again, in your story that you're writing today, during your writing time, whenever you use the word I, you need to make sure that it's capitalized. That's how you get all the points for today. Another thing that should always be capitalized in your writing are proper nouns. So we've gone over proper nouns way, way back, but here are a few examples of proper nouns. It says, Jen, Ryan, and Mara went to visit the Golden Gate Bridge on Tuesday. So if you look, Jen, Ryan, and Mara are all names of people. So whenever you're naming someone, you need to have a capital letter. If you don't have a capital letter, you don't get all of your points. So whenever you're writing someone's name, you need to capitalize that first letter. Another thing that's capitalized is the Golden Gate Bridge. Does anyone know what the Golden Gate Bridge is? So the Golden Gate Bridge is a famous bridge in California. It's humongous. So the reason that Golden Gate Bridge is capitalized is because it's a place and it's a thing and it's a big place and a big thing. So all three of those words have to be capitalized because it's the name of the bridge. So Golden Gate Bridge needs to be capitalized. So that's something else when you're writing in your story that always needs a capital letter to start off. One of the last words that's highlighted is the word Tuesday. Now we've also talked about this, but besides the days of the week, what's something else that should be capitalized? Try to think back to when we reviewed what needs to be capitalized for proper nouns. Take a minute to think, what else should be capitalized? So something else that needs to be capitalized are the months of the year. So January, February, March, April, so on and so forth. So besides the days of the week, we also have to capitalize the months of the year. Another thing that we should always capitalize are holidays. And we talked about this before as well. You need to capitalize the word Halloween, the word Christmas, the word Hanukkah, the word Valentine's Day. Those are all holidays that are really important and should have a capital letter in the beginning. So these are things that should always be capitalized. The first letter at the beginning of a sentence, the pronoun I, remember, stand nice and tall, and proper nouns, names, places, days of the week, months of the year, and holidays. Another thing that should be capitalized are titles. So an example of a title would be Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. And we read this for our first read aloud this year in fourth grade. So notice how not all of those letters are capitalized. Only the main ones that we wouldn't normally see in a sentence. So we usually see of and the in a sentence pretty often, but Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing is a title of a book. So those major words need to be capitalized as well. So this is my example, and after I finish reading through, I'm sure you're going to notice some mistakes that I made. So we're going to see if we can try and fix them. So here we go. It says, the prompt at the top. Every day you pass a door. It's always closed and locked. One day, as you pass, you notice that the door is open. You step inside. Write a story about what was on the other side of that door. So here's what I wrote. It was a chilly October day. I went to my locker before school just like I do every day. On my way to Mrs. Gendron's class, I talked to my friend Kara about my trip to New York. Kara stopped to talk to her friend, and that is when I noticed a strange light. The door at the end of the hallway that is always closed and locked was opened, and there was a light on inside. I quickly went in and closed the door behind me. When I looked around, I realized I was not at Capitalization anymore. How did I end up in New York? I looked for a way to get back to school, but I couldn't find a way back. So now is your job to go through my writing and see what I missed for capitalization. And just from looking at it, it kind of looks a little funky. So maybe if you need to, pause the video, go through the story, and when you're ready to tell me my mistakes, play the video again and we'll look at a better version. All right, let's look at a better version of my story with much more capitalization. So all of the highlighted letters that you see are the ones that should be capitalized. So from the beginning, I didn't capitalize that first letter in the beginning of the sentence. So I need to capitalize the I in it, as well as the O in October. Remember, we had to capitalize the months of the year. I missed a lot of I's, a lot of pronouns, so I needed to go back and fix those for sure. Mrs. Gendron and Kara and New York are also all places and people's names. So those especially need to be capitalized. Those are really important proper nouns. So Mrs. Gendron should be capitalized, Kara should be capitalized, and New York should be capitalized. Another place that should be capitalized is Capitalization. Down at the bottom, the K and the D need to be capitalized because it is a place. I made some silly mistakes in this one, so hopefully, looking at my silly mistakes, you won't make the same silly mistakes. So, for your writing prompt today, that will be on Google Classroom for you. This is going to be your rubric. So this is what I'll be looking for to give you your points for today. So make sure you have all 3 of these things in your story. Each sentence needs to start with a capital letter. The pronoun I should be capitalized. And any proper nouns that you use also need to be capitalized. So if you have all 3 of these things in your story for today, you will get all 4 points, which totals up to 12 points altogether. So really shoot for those 12 points. It'll definitely help your grade out a bunch. So make sure you're really going back and reading through your story and making sure that you have all the right capitalization. Now is your turn to go ahead and start writing. Give yourself about 10 minutes or so. Make sure you're reading the prompt, answering those questions, and then once you're finished, you will be all good for today. So please make sure that you don't forget to submit your work for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday.